Hello, in front of me I've got Grounded 2. In this video I'll show you how to manage Ranger Station. In the beginning, let's go to menu of the game, and in inventory you can find your science points. Go to Ranger Station, and thanks to the science points, you can go to Science Shop. Load it, and thanks to science points, you can upgrade cooking, buildings, and more. Here is the list of requirements and science points requirements. In the middle of the list, you can find Omni-Tool. Use the science points and ingredients to upgrade your Omni-Tool. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.